Hi everyone, welcome back to DanceMamaDance, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen and I make videos on cleaning motivation and all things mom related. I was inspired to start my own YouTube channel after watching so many moms with their awesome motivating cleaning videos. I just had to give it a try for myself, and now I'm having an awesome time making these videos. If you are enjoying them, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and that way you will get those notifications when I do post a new video. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance. We had new carpet installed the other day, and we had to move all of our furniture and all of our items, and then I had a very large Grove box delivered. And I am just cleaning out this little area here with all of my cleaning products and fitting in the new ones that I just got and reorganizing it so that I can find everything. After I'm done tidying up, I am going to be doing a shop with me at Hobby Lobby. They are having 75% off all of their spring items, so I'm hoping to find some cool things for our new setup. Probably still looks really cluttered to a lot of you, but it is organized. I have the bathroom stuff on the left, my all-purpose and countertop sprays in the middle, and then anything related to the sink on the right-hand side. This shelf in our cupboard has been needed to be cleaned out for a really long time, and I just decided to stop and go through it all right now. It contains anything first aid or our medicines, anything like that. And there were a few things that I found that were expired, and I wanted to make sure that stuff was really easy to grab in the event that Tyler needed a Band-Aid or something like that. So I gave myself a $50 limit, and I am making it out of here with a little over $1 and some change. I'm gonna get this stuff home and show you everything I got. There is some stuff inside of this barrel. two items I've actually had my eye on at Hobby Lobby since the beginning of spring. I just thought they had a really cool farmhouse look to them and they were really unique. So the smaller one I'm actually going to use above the hook that I just redid in our bathroom, and that's going to house like our washcloths and things like that, things that my son uses in the bath. And then this larger one I'm actually going to use above our toilet, and that's going to be where our spare toilet paper is going to go, just because underneath our bathroom sink I didn't want to have anything stored underneath there. And you can see they have this cool little hook in the back, so I'm excited to hang those up in the bathroom and add some extra storage. They did have some 4th of July stuff left, and it wasn't 75% off, it was actually only 66% off, but it was still a good deal. So I found this flag for out front. I just thought it was really cute. It's got Mickey Mouse on it. And then this is just a craft for my son. We love to paint, so we'll probably paint this and then you build it into a little airplane. And then these are just some pinwheels for the garden. If you saw our home renovation video that I just posted, I think it was yesterday or the day before, you will see that we moved our dining table into our kitchen. So I just wanted to get a couple things to spruce up the table and make it look a little more functional. I got this metal plate, or actually it's probably more like a platter, it's really big, for all of our fruit that we leave out. And then I got these really nice, a couple different colors here. They're like a linen, just to go on top of it, and then I would put the fruit or vegetables on top of the cloth. So just something nice to kind of add a little pop of color and make things feel a little bit more homey in that new setup. And last but definitely not least is this cool piece. I have been looking at this for a couple weeks now, and I just thought it was really cool. I love the detailing on it. Really awesome farmhouse piece. So this part actually comes off. It's a lid, so you can take that off. You can see all this really cool detailing. I just really loved it. But it's nice, it's finished because it's not a DIY, so no one's gonna cut their finger on that or anything. So we're actually going to use this by our front door. Because we practice minimalism, I do try to have out all of our shoes and clothing for every season, and it just kind of keeps me on top of making sure we don't have too much. So this is going to house our shoes that are from a different season. So for example, right now it's summer, so our boots will all go in here. And then when it's winter, all of our sandals will go in here. But it also like doubles as a little stool. So we're gonna have this right by the front door, and you can sit down on it and put your shoes on, and it looks great. So I'm really excited about this piece. This was definitely a great deal. It was originally, I saw the tag on it, $69.99, and it was 75% off. I definitely would not have bought it for $69.99. Like I mentioned before, everything that I got from Hobby Lobby was under $50 total. So a really cute piece. I'm really excited to use this. That is going to be it for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it brought you some cleaning motivation and some great ideas to decorate your home. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.